water. You put it on the edges that you cutting off, and then you hold it like that. And then you fold it like that so that you get a pinched edge. You can see there, it's really pinched. So when I fold it, you can see that pinch will be there. But we don't have to worry about that right now. And then put your finger in and start like pinching it together so it's stable. And then you have to just pinch this bit.
What next?
Then you have to hold it like an upside down cone. Like you're holding ice cream. Then you get some of your stuffing. And then you just stuff it in there. And then press it down. But not too much. That's the whole thing rips apart. Is that enough?
Less is more. You can put a little bit more. But that's all. Yeah.
Okay, and then you get some more of your water. And then you just put it around the edges of your samosa. It's like ripping when you get to the point, get to the bit where you were attaching it. Then just pinch it together again. Just do it. And then if you've got that, then you just have to pinch it. Like this. And then feel if there's any stuffing that isn't there and you have to pinch. And then lay it down on your platform, just on those edges, just press down. And just make it stand up.
That sounds